No, I haven't. I just folded the other day and bought some sponges from G. That's why I said I'm gonna stay off this app. Don't nobody. And then Coley ain't no better. Coley gonna inbox me talking about um soapy drop reminder. Like, girl, don't come over here with them demons. You teasing me with a good time. It's Christmas time. I can't afford to buy no sponges right now. It's hard out here. I know the reef is still available, but I ain't gonna buy it. I ain't even gonna buy it. I'm trying to hold out. Oh, hold on. I think somebody just let the Lord use them, baby. Hold on with me. But I am very much appreciative. Thank you so much. That is not a new sponge. I have to add that to my collection. They be showing love, you see. It be crazy. I be like, oh my God, for real? Don't start how I'm acting like the bird lady. What I do? Y'all know I don't even like her, so don't compare me to her. I need to be more nice so I can be. B, it's too late. That ship done sail for you, baby. That ship has sailed, honey. It's over for you. No, like, I don't know about how the rest of other people feel about the community, but I love y'all for real, for real. That's why we make sure we do our little 1-2, and I make sure I give something back where y'all can come in and just enjoy, because y'all really do show so much love, honestly. Y'all, we gotta get on to this 15K so I can give y'all these free 15 bottles of pop in this 150 cans. This 150. If it takes too long, I'ma just go ahead and do it. But once I hit 15K, I'm not doing another celebration. But y'all know my celebration overloads before the free ski. It be appreciation for y'all and how y'all pop it. Pop, lock, and drop it every single time. Just remember me. Girl, my bad. I sure will, honey. I sure will. You didn't have to do it, but you did it anyhow. I can't thank you enough. Yes, y'all, we're doing 150 cans and 15 bottles of pop for 15K. If I can stay off of the restriction list, I probably would have been there already. I got a plug. You want me to plug you in with the plug? I know Pablo Noriega. Yes, I love y'all real bad. Y'all know how y'all show up for me, baby. So I'm gonna show up for y'all every time. Nessa, please. The way you get on here and beg and they move, ain't nobody got time for that. I said, Nessa, I kind of am lightweight offended because you don't need squeeze. Can y'all go buy Nessa baby some? I'm crying. I know y'all was saying y'all wanted to do a baby shower on live, Vanessa, but I don't necessarily know how that works. Like, would I get in the sink and squeeze and y'all just go get stuff off her registry? I don't know how that would work. I'm trying to figure out how to put that together. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how that would work. I guess I could do like a couple of combos for the free ski, and y'all just come in and send Vanessa baby shower stuff. Or we just do some, you know, baby shower thing. Even if y'all don't get nothing, we'll just get on and have a good time and celebrate Nessa having a baby. It is so dusty. All right, I'm about to do some big bombs. And I need to put on my long gloves. My skin just now starting to get rid of them dark spots. Oh, so ugly. Wasn't nothing cute about that. Baby, who they going to go rescue? Don't nobody live out here but old people. This is the second fire truck and ambulance I done heard tonight. What is going on? Yeah, I got my back door open. This powder is OD dusty. Y'all, we ain't used no less oil or no pop in a couple of lives. That might be the mood tomorrow. Oh, is Ash here? Is Squeeze Me Don't Tease Me here? Speaking of less oil, is Squeeze Me here? Squeeze me to the front, please. She might not be here. It's kind of late. That's my dang old girl. Y'all, pen squeeze me. My girl Ash and my girl Clean Talk Tiff both hit the big 15 per. Congratulations to them. Tomorrow, Squeeze Me will be doing her 15K celebration overload, y'all. She doing Lesty. She doing lemon panelling. She doing pine panelling. What else is in that picture? I don't know. Go look on her story. It's gonna eat down. I need y'all to be in attendance. I need y'all to pop y'all stuff. If you are not following my girl, what are you doing? And she will be on at 10 a.m. What time zone? The pinned account. Squeeze Me Don't Tease Me. So make sure y'all are in the building tomorrow. My girl is outside. Okay. Make sure y'all are in the building. QC, you still doing your celebration? I need to know when so I can support. Ain't you supposed to be doing 36 of everything or something like that? Ain't that what I heard? Hey, Jamie. Okay, Central Time, y'all. 10 a.m. Central tomorrow. Y'all be in the building. She got Lesty, y'all. It's going to eat. It is going to eat. Yesy, thank you so much for that, for real, for real. You definitely showed out. You, girl, don't do that. You know you do not have to thank me. Girl, yeah, we got a whole nother sink we about to do. And I got paste all over me. I still got 24 cans that gotta go in here. And a dish soap.